Hi guys, how are you all? So I'm Asad Sheikh from Iqonic Design and today we'll talk about Graphina. So there has been many updates for the charts and the features in Graphina since our last video. So today we'll see them one by one. So we'll start with the organization chart. Organization chart can be used to show the hierarchy in the company from the boss to the janitor, and it can also be used to show the family tree like from your grandparents to you and your child. And it can also be used in the data analytics. So let's see how to customize this chart and use that in the Graphina. So we will start with opening the Graphina in Elementor. If you don't know how to do it, you can check out our old tutorials and learn that. So let's start. We will firstly search the graph, that is organization, and just drag it into the page and the graph will open in it. And you can see we have this graph here. We will firstly stretch the graph to the whole page so we can see visual better. We will add the elements. So for that we will go into the chart data option and insert more elements into it. I am adding 2 more. Then we will go into the chart settings, and in that we have collapse node, which will be useful if it's on. Then when you click on a parent node, the child node will be not seen, it will just hide, and if it's off, then no functionality will be there after clicking on it. So it's on you to open it or close it. Then we have node setting. So first we have the size. We can do it to small, medium or large by just from this drop down. According to your design, you can change it however you want. Then we have font size. You can change the font size into the node. You can increase it and you can see the result here. Then we have font colors. You can change the font color to any color you want. And then we have alignment. You want it right, left or middle, depends on you. You can change it from here and you can see the change. I will just revert it back to whatever it was. Then we have node shadow. You can add a shadow to your node and you can change the shadow just like this, and it can be used in a lot of ways. Then we have background type. We have 3 options like gradient, solid color or the image. This is how you can give a solid color and change the opacity from here. I'm just randomly doing it. Then we have gradient in it. You can add any color gradient from here and you can see by just changing colors. You can make it more exciting by doing some changes in it. We will just revert it back, and we have also option for the color. Then we have the third option, that is image. You can add any image in the node. It can be very useful if you want to add anything. Then we have color for the border. You can change the border color like whichever color you want. And we also have border type, like you can change it to double. Then we have dotted, dash, and many more options. You can check them out. Then we have width to the border. You can change the width, increase or decrease it according to your need. You can just do it however you want. Then we have selected node setting. Before it was the general setting for all the nodes. Now you will just simply click on any node and do settings for that node. You can change the font to that node. Then you can change the color of that node. It will be just done for this single node that you have selected. So you can change the color like this. Then we have background type 2. You can change it to like solid or gradient or any that you want. You can also add image to it. You can customize it however you want. Then we have border type. You can change the border type to like double or whatever. It's same like general setting, but it's for the single node. So you can do it however you want and just customize it in your way by just playing around with it. Then we have connection. So in the connection we have the heights. You can see by increasing the height this will change. Then we have the width. So this is how you can change the width from by just changing the value. Then I will just increase the height so you can understand it better, and I will decrease the width. And then we have the style. You can change the connection to any style like dot, dash and whatever. There are many options. You can do it how you want to style it. You can also remove the connection from that by just giving it none. Then we have color in the connection. You can change the color of your connection. You can do it like this. So let's move to the element settings. So in the element one, you can see the parent node and child node is same because the node 1 is itself a parent node. And now in the element you can see the child and parent node is different. The child node is node 2 and the parent node is node 1. So it is connected to the node 1. If you want to change that, you can simply change the parent node to any other node that we have. So I will just change it to 3 and you can see the node 2 has been the child of the node 3. Now let's move to the chart setting. You can go in it and you can just click on the node 2 and all the settings will be diverted to it, and it is so easy like doing it. Then we will move to the node 5, then that is element 5, and in that you can see the child node is node 5 and the parent node is node 1. But the other thing that we want to see is a tooltip. Tooltip is like a title given. Whenever you hover to a node, it will show you the title. So firstly I will change the title to test, and now we will move to the element 5, that is node 5, and when you hover the mouse it will show you this title here. And that's how you can customize the organization chart for your theme. You can just do the changes and click on update, and all the things will be changed for you on your page. And now we will just end this video here. You can say it was so easy to customize the organization chart and use it in your page. And we will be back with another features and updates in Graphina, so stay connected with us. You can like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and share it with the friends and the community so they can also take advantage of this amazing thing. And you can also follow us on our social media accounts, and you can check out our blogs at the website. Just go and check them out. You may like it. So till then, hasta la vista.